Whew. Oh man, the dad bod is in full effect. What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. See all these speakers back here? This is all the Focal lineup. I've been unboxing speakers all day, discussing the differences between them, and soon to come, we will be shooting them out side by side and discussing, whether we really think it's worth it or not. This is a hand-built, made in France speaker manufacturer, and I cannot be more excited to offer this to you guys. We are a nationwide American direct dealer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sopra series. Hope you guys are ready. Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get this puppy opened up. I have been hard at work all day, basically Dreamedia CrossFit up in here, moving these speakers up and down the stairs. But this guy right here, I have been waiting for all day. This is like getting into the Utopia type equipment. They use a lot of the same drivers and tweeter technology. You can see they have staples here on the top. Definitely do not cut it open, guys. You want to just take your time, remove all the staples, and then pop it out. This is a very expensive speaker, and you're going to need the box later. So take the time and just pop it open. So as I'm opening this, I'll kind of discuss something with you guys. Obviously, we are in the business of selling AV gear. Whenever you are looking to purchase a product, especially of this value, you definitely want to make sure that you're buying from an authorized reseller. We are really excited to have this partnership direct with Focal. I even have a bunch of videos with the guys from France, factory direct, giving you a little info about what makes the speakers so special. So if you're looking at this line seriously, make sure to check out that video, because I bring on Nicholas, which is a rep there, and he is just a wealth of knowledge. Now, we do guarantee the lowest price on every product we sell with nationwide free shipping, so give us a shot. Top, bottom. Okay. So basically, they're just making sure that you open this in the correct orientation here on top. The spirit of sound. Guys, this is what I've been waiting for all day. Oh, it's like I'm a kid in a candy store right now. Okay, Sopra unpacking. They actually have instructions here on how to do it properly, because you do not want to mess up. Looks like you got to stand it up, slide it out, and then just take it off one piece at a time. They actually have a little bar here where you can grab onto it because it's so heavy. I mean, I about got a hernia just bringing it up the stairs. Definitely nice if you have some help. Check it out, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. That is what I'm talking about. All right, let's stop talking and get it out of here. All right. Oh, Nelly. Whew. All right. Here she comes. Oh, man. All right. I hope you guys are getting a good laugh out of this, watching this at home. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Let's get this box out of here. I'm gonna put some demo hours on this bad boy for sure. Are you guys as excited as I am? Hope so. This thing is a bad mamma jamma. All right, let's go ahead and get to the juicy part. I feel like I'm taking the sunglass holder off of my, like a new pair of Ray-Bans or something. Whew. Wow. Hey girl, how you doing? Oh, wow. Gorgeous. Wow. What a masterpiece. Now, this actually uses a completely different technology from, say, these guys back here. They call it the F sandwich technology, and this is the W sandwich technology, which we'll get into what that means a little bit more here in a second. I'm kind of just in awe of how beautiful it is. Wow. Shoo. Yes, please. All right, let's check it out. So this is sold in a bunch of different finishes, guys. I'll put down in the description what those are, but we carry all of them. So if you really want to make a statement, something that just pops, they got some crazy colors like Ferrari red. And then they also have like this beautiful oak finish, which would look beautiful in this home, but because I'm using these as demo speakers, I just got all black. But Vocal, they make some beautiful finishes. Look at this. Vocal. This is the Sopra #2. I mean, this definitely looks like a $10,000 speaker. There was a huge jump when I went from the Cora and the Aria were one thing. Then when you get into the Canta, you're like, whoa, it's a huge upgrade. Like the finish is like candy paint, and they start to really put in some of their more flagship materials. This also has that beryllium tweeter, which can actually be dangerous if broken, so you have to be careful. It's also extremely expensive. Beryllium is like, I don't know, can't remember what the training said, I'll look it up in a minute, but it was like 10 times the cost of gold, so very expensive, lightweight, and just very responsive. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into some techie talk on this particular speaker. There's a reason these are almost $10,000 each. And one of the biggest things that I see when reading about it is the fact that it has this infinite horn loading, IHL as they call it, which this system is actually patented. So I'll just read what the manufacturer says. The rear of the beryllium tweeter is loaded via a small cavity which is connected to the exterior of the enclosure by a horn. That's very interesting. Whom inside is filled with a dampening material. Sound waves from the rear of the tweeter are delicately and gradually absorbed. Its acoustic impedance approaches zero so that no resistance alters the movement of the dome. This reduces distortion by 30% and pushes definition to the maximum. I mean, that is crazy. I'd love to see an exploded diagram of the actual components. See if we can get some images of that. But I was very curious as to the differences between the tweeters on, say, and I'll get into comparison videos of these two, the Canta and the Sopra, but that is what's going on behind this beryllium inverted dome tweeter. Pretty cool. So Not only that, but they have something called a tuned mass damper. The definition and then the suspension, which connects the cone to the basket, the solutions already known for increasing the dampening properties of the suspension all result in an increase of the mass, which consequently alters definition. The answer came from technology used in earthquake resistant skyscrapers, and which is also used for the suspension on racing cars. So, long story short, on the tuned mass dampener, their tuned mass damper consists of simply 2 tubular rings on the suspension to avoid deformation of the cone without afflicting the dynamics. It reduces drastically the distortion and increases the definition. That innovation is also patented. So they have a lot of really interesting technologies built into this speaker, such as the NIC, neutral inductance circuit, stabilizing the magnetic field. I'll let you guys, read this stuff out on the internet, but long story short, I want to hear the difference. So there's a lot of tech that they put into this particular speaker, and we'll really get into it whenever I go and start doing some side-by-side comparisons of each individual series side-by-side. But I think this is overall a good start and a good unboxing video. If you guys have anything that you'd like to see, drop it in the comments down below. This is an up-close shot of the speaker with the speaker grills on. Very sleek. And this is an up-close shot of the speaker grill off. Comes down to personal preference, really. You can see I set them all up over here. Speaker grill's off, speaker grill's on. I want to show you guys this little quick start guide that they include. Also has a couple of other really important things to note in here. This is a label to seal the face of the beryllium tweeter in case it gets damaged, because beryllium is actually really dangerous, surprisingly enough, and very expensive. It's like 10 times the price of gold or something like that. I do want to point out the fact that they have humans sign off on this. So I think this is really key when you're buying high-end products, that there's quality control. Thank you, Natalie. We appreciate you checking out this speaker for us. Again, it's the small things, guys. These are little plates. These go on the bottom where the carpet spikes are if you have it on a hard surface. The Sopra series is actually pretty awesome. So not only do they have, just the Sopra 3, but they have Sopra's other models like center speakers, surround speakers, all that good stuff. And you can see here, they actually show you the different surround sound configuration options and what they recommend, receiver connections and things like that. User manual, just basic information here. More on beryllium. Again, this is really what Focal is known for, is these beryllium inverted dome tweeters. All right, guys, well, that does conclude my unboxing of the Focal Sopra number 2s. We are going to be doing a series of different videos, really getting down into the nitty-gritty and discussing hi-fi on a whole new level. And I want you guys to follow me on the journey. So these are coming in right under 10 grand, and I think it's a really great starting point. We've been introducing better and better manufacturers, and being authorized as a nationwide direct Focal dealer is just huge for us, and I feel so blessed to be able to offer this to you guys. If you would like to purchase this product, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We really appreciate y'all's support. We'd love to create a system for you in your home, whether it's a home theater system or just a high fidelity 2-channel system. We have you covered. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. We got a ton of home theater videos for all different budgets, and we also offer a free design service. If you don't know what you need, give us a ring. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Whether it's projectors, screens, receivers, or high fidelity audio, we have you covered. All right, guys, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.